welcome Internet Derby fans. We are live 2018. Finally, the season has arrived and we are in downtown Louisville for the 2018 Bluegrass Bash. There's a lot of nice cars. There's a lot of good content coming your way soon, guys. Here in the next week, these videos will be up, and then in 1 month, we are heading to Urban Destruction in Evansville. So guys, let's take our walk around our Prelude and see who's all here, what's showing up, and what can we expect for tonight's Bluegrass Bash. I'm telling you guys, inspections was a pain this year for a lot of people. Still is for a lot of people. This Derby will not start on time at all. The doors to Freedom Hall open in about 20 minutes. And the Derby's supposed to start at 5:30. This thing ain't gonna start till like 7. Logan Ramsey, we've seen him run quite a few times last year. Run a mini car today. Seen him run a big car last year in Kentucky. Tons of cars, guys. This is a lot of cars. Very short pits this year, since they do have a thing going on in the West Wing area where inspections were going last year. Sadly, this is not in April. This is in early March, which is even better for us. We needed a Derby to come and film, and luckily Bluegrass Bash is in March again this year. And in just a few weeks, we'll be heading down again here in Kentucky to another John Peck show that's on the schedule. So hopefully we can make it back to another show. Nathan Brown's car in the unclosed trailer. Shane Jones, seen him run at Paoli tons of times, so it's good to see Shane back here again. And coming down is Paul Petro. You'll see him over there, him and his wagon. The only wagon here for the mod. Chad Stoll, we seen him run Otwell last year. He is back again. I believe this is his Sturgis car, as people are saying, from Redneck Rumble. Trevor Jones, the winner of last year's mods, 10 grand. Let's see if he can go back to back, but this year win $20,000 is the grand prize for the mods this year. So let's see if Trevor can win back-to-back at Bluegrass Bash in the mods, or is someone else going to take that crown from him. There's a few people, that big names that are here. Hazelwood. We seen him run the Scottsburg Fall Show. A lot of these guys have crazy setups in these cars. It's ridiculous. Look at the crease job on this car. Jeez Louise. This is lined up with the door, and just look how much this is creased in. And here comes someone that could take that crown away from Trevor Jones and Jason Brodzinski from Michigan. Look at the gas tank in this thing.
I bet he does.
Enough double deuce from Michael Kelly. And I want to give a shout out right now to Michael Kelly. He is running our GoPro tonight, our in-car camera. Our first in-car camera video will be ran by Michael Kelly. So shout out to him. Wire class, mods, and minis are on the agenda for Derby tonight. One of the Scots, we've seen him run countless of times. Marengo, Salem, heavy hitter for the mods. And we've seen these guys run at the Carrollton Team Show last year. This is what these cars are from. If you guys recognize the roof signs or the paint jobs, these guys were from the Carrollton Team Show last year.
Basically what I think about, maybe just knock the windows out, let it go swing,
I believe we've seen these two run last year in Kentucky as well. Probably Carrollton or Breckenridge, I'm going to guess. And then through the wall over there is where the vendors and the inspections are going down this year. Instead of being right beside Freedom Hall or in the West Wing, they put them out there in Cardinal Stadium, the old Cardinal Stadium. Those two of the Mon guys back. There's another part of the pits just over here on the other side of the driveway here. So we're going to go over there, check them cars out, and then that will conclude our Prelude, guys. And hopefully one person in particular will be back from inspections really soon in this video from PA. And then there's a famous name in the Derby world. If you guys ever went to Blizzard Bash in Topeka, Kansas, you will recognize this name coming up on his car now. These two guys went to Utah just last year, which is a ridiculous drive from Kentucky all the way to Utah. They put on a show in Utah. Watch the live stream. They did an amazing job. Put on a hell of a show to represent out here, out east. Unfortunately, a lot of cars here did get loaded this year. Either people complaining about the rules, or just people not wanting to fix anything on their cars and just take somewhere else. To our man Mike DeFrecia, such a outgoing, balls to the walls driver. Seen him on the crash course live stream when they live stream their derbies, and this guy, he's one to watch out for Mad Dog in the Wire. Stay tuned for all heats, videos, everything from this derby right now on Multi Demo 10.